Good morning. We're here at the Greenwood Lake Lakeside Farmers Market with Mike and Lisa of Cohen Acres. How are you guys?
Good. Happy to be
Now,
here.
you've got a lot of interesting pastries on the table here, so tell us about the challah bread that you use.
Okay, so our table was much more full about 20 minutes ago, but lots of things sold. So we are the makers, the creators of the Challamin bun. We trademarked the bun, which is our challah bread dough rolled out into a cinnamon bun. And each month we do a bun of the month, and this month it's the pumpkin pie Challamin bun.
Wow. Now, tell me the ingredients that are used in
So we do vegan and gluten-free and original. So these are our original. We use our chickens, fresh eggs, straight from Cohen Acres. Obviously, the vegan, we don't use any of our chicken eggs, but it's the freshest ingredients and it's a secret recipe.
Wow. Mike, what's your role in this?
Well, I would say I'm the money man, but I'd be lying. I do the deliveries. I help out with the packaging, mainly the deliveries, a lot of the administrative stuff, and just pretty much support.
A lot of support.
Okay. How do people order from Cohen Acres?
You can order. We have a website.
Uh-huh.
It's cohenacres.com.
Okay.
You can order from the website. We also have a Facebook page, which is Cohen Acres LLC
Great.
on Facebook, and we're Cohen Acres on Instagram.
Okay.
And we also have an email address, which is
Cohen Acres. It's mail@cohenacres.com.
Okay. Thanks, guys.